Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing video for this TV stand that I'm about to put together. So, everything is out of the box. It does ship in one relatively heavy box, so you may need a second hand to, get that moved. But you can see here all of the parts are out, and it may seem like a lot for some, but for me, this is probably going to take me maybe an hour and a half or so to put together. What I did was immediately as I took parts out, I just started to organize them kind of by size, because typically all the parts that are the same size and things of that nature usually get put together during the same steps. So that's all I did. This right here is the hardware. You can see that it's individually packaged and wrapped. They all have part numbers, so that's going to be a major plus. You don't have to organize anything yourself. These are the LED hardware for the lights. Here is the instruction manual. It has the detail list right here. It has all the parts blown up. You have the furniture parts and you have the hardware parts here. And the instructions look pretty straightforward, so they don't jam pack too many steps into one, as you can see here. It's pretty straightforward. So all in all, it doesn't look like the assembly would be too bad. I do have my work cut out for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this TV stand that I just put together, and my initial reaction after putting it together and assembling it is that this thing is awesome. So it is very glam vibes giving. You can see it's got the LED lights, it's got the white on the gold, which is really nice for a very specific aesthetic. So if you like the gold accents with the white theme, this could definitely be the TV stand for you. So let's quickly look at some of the features. You can see it's got the gold trim around each of the sort of windows or the displays. Look at it from this side as well. Then you have the handles, and you also have the feet. Now in the back on both sides, it has a cable management hole so that you can keep the area nice and tidy and uncluttered. So in the middle here, you have the drawer. So if you pull that out, it comes out nice and easy. And this is actually glass. This is not plastic. So, while you're assembling the unit, make sure that this is off to the side until it's the step that you need it, because you definitely don't want this to shatter. And so you have a nice little private storage area right there. Now the left side sort of cubby area is a little bit different because it has this high gloss material on the front here, and it also has high gloss material right here on the front of the drawer. But this one has this sort of wooden bar that goes here. It's just for the style, but you can see that this one does not. It is like more of an open style design. So there are a couple things that you should know about when it comes to this TV stand. The way that the LEDs work is it connects through these cables right here, but on the end of it has a USB, so you're gonna need your own adapter. So this one right here is from Brookstone. It's my own. You're gonna need your own adapter. Now here's the remote control that comes with it. You can control everything basically from here. So you can see that the light is purple. So you can kind of go through these and see the different modes. LED will probably flicker a little bit different. And so you can choose the color that you want for it to go on. So if you want to go red, it's like a yellowish color, green, bluish color. This one's more of a deeper or darker blue. And then this one is more of a purple or violet color. And of course, if you want all the lights, you can have it on a mode where it just kind of cycles through all the different colors. So you can control the different speeds, the different modes as to how you want the lights to flicker, the colors, and you can all do it right from here. Now, in terms of the assembly, it took me just about an hour and a half to put together. It wasn't difficult at all. In fact, a lot of the steps were broken down into mini assemblies, so it wasn't jam-packing too much into one step. Overall, I would highly recommend this TV stand. Get ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.